Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school. AMD Chipset drivers, search, open site, download Windows driver, downloading, open, downloads, run AMD, browse, install, checking your PC hardware, chipset software installer, check PC compatibility, chipset driver, Ryzen, GPIO, AMD SMB, device, BSP, install, AMD Ryzen, successful, restart. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.